Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to an absolutely beautiful evening in Scotland. Contemplating putting my shorts on. If you're new to the channel, click the subscribe button for me, that would be absolutely awesome. And whether you're a new subscriber or an existing subscriber, smash the thumbs up for me if you like the video, helps me out a ton with the algorithm and getting recognised by more and more people. So in last week's video, we buttoned up the whole front end, water bottle on, slam panel on, radiator and aircon in. We also recharged the air conditioning system and we fitted the brand new Mishimoto induction kit. So in the video this week, what we're going to do is we're going to prep all the panels for paint, the front bumper, the two wings and the bonnet, and then we're going to paint it all, and hopefully there'll be enough time to fit it all back up to the car so we can get the car finally detailed and get it on the road. So first things first, let's get all the panels prepped and we'll take it from there. Right, so that's everything scotched, apart from the underside of the bonnet. What we're going to do is we're going to move the car before we clean up the garage, ready to paint everything. So with that, let's get rid of the car, let's get the bonnet finished up, and then we'll get this place cleaned up, masked off, ready to paint. Right, as you can see, that's the place fully static sheeted off. So all we need to do now, mix up some paint, give the panels one final prep, and get spraying. So with that, let's crack on. Right, so that's all the parts now lacquered. Some of them look amazing, some of them not so much. So as you can see, there's a wee bit of dirt trapped in the lacquer in the wings. There's also a wee bit of dirt trapped in the front bumper. And there is quite a gigantic amount trapped in the bonnet. But we did put down 2 pretty thick coats of lacquer, so most of that dirt should get removed with a bit of wet sanding and machine polishing. So what we'll do now is we'll remove all the masking tape, get all the static sheeting off the walls, wait 24 hours, and oh wait a minute, some dirt on the lens. Oh, happy days. Somebody did all the hard work for me. Right, in that case, is we'll leave it 24 hours to cure, get all the trestles out of the way, fit all the parts to the car, because it's going to be a lot easier to wet sand and machine polish all of these parts when they're actually fitted to the car. So I'll see you guys back here in just a sec. Right, 24 hours later, and everything should have cured by now. So let's get the garage doors open, get all the panels moved to the side, get the car back in, and start rebuilding it. Well, ladies and gentlemen, she's looking pretty good. There's one thing we're still trying to figure out, and we think it might be caused by the bonnet hinge. So if you see the panel gaps on this side are absolutely spot on, but the panel gap on this side is not quite there. And we think that bonnet hinge is causing the problem. So I'm going to order up another bonnet hinge, and we'll get around to fixing that probably in next week's video. But unfortunately, that's going to be the end of this week's episode, guys and girls. I hope you liked it. I'm going to give a massive shout out to my brother and my pal Davey, because Davey's the one that painted all the panels, and my brother, as you've seen, has been helping me out put it all back together. In next week's video, what we're going to do, we'll swap out the hinge, try and get the panel gaps right on this side, and then wet sand everything that we've painted before cracking on to buttoning up the last few things in the front end and then we'll detail the entire car. And as always, I hope you're keeping well and I hope you're keeping safe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.